You will learn how to fill and submit Microsoft form from this video tutorial. What you need is the link to that form and you can fill it. All right. It's either link is sent to your email address or any social media platform or in any way. Just once I have the link, let's do it together. In this case, the form was sent to my email address. So I will launch my web browser and access Gmail. In my Gmail inbox and look at the email. I'll click on it. So I'll scroll down and I will click on Start Now. So the link is now opening on a new page. All right. So this is the first page. It says Godwin Tech University course enrollment form. That is to say that I applied for a course, okay, to enroll in the course, and they sent me the link to fill in for me to enroll fully. All right. Then the next step is to click on Start Now. And here it says student ID number. So I'll click here and fill it. All right, my ID number here in this sample is ABD12347. All right, full name. So let's say Godwin Mike in this case. So email address, I will type my email address here, which is contact Godwin Tech. So date of birth, I'll fill my date of birth here. Then gender, male or female, I always choose male because I'm a male in this case. Primary phone number, please fill yours here. I will not fill mine in full for security reason, but I will fill few, okay? So let's assume this is my phone number. Are you an international student? Yes. This form was sent from United States and I'm in Nigeria, okay? So if maybe you made a mistake, you can click on this to clear selection, but I didn't make any mistake. I will click on this, okay? Then country of citizenship, I'll click here and type Nigeria. Then this form states which of the following best describes your current status. I'm a student, employed, unemployed, and so on, but I'm employed in this case. So I'll select this. Then I'll click on next. So I'm going to fill all these ones and other information, and when we get to the submission page, I will show you, please, for us to save time. Okay, I'm done filling this page too, so let's proceed to next. And here it says, please complete this section before you submit the form. Please describe any aspect, any special condition or requirements if you have. So here, I'll click here and I will say none, all right, because I don't have any. Then this one says, when submitting this survey, you confirm that you are aware of the following. I have read the above information and would like to continue my registration. I agree. So click on the box here and I'll click on submit. And this Microsoft form has been submitted to the person that created it. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.